Hey everyone, welcome to a Goody Reader tutorial video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we're going to show you how the rapid page turn engine works on the new Kobo Aura 1 limited edition. This is the one with 32 gigs and retails for $279 US on the main Kobo website.
You'll notice on your box you have this little strap here and it says enhanced page turn speeds and whatnot. So,
but how does it work? There's no documentation online. There's no, there's no guides or anything like that to show you how to do it. But luckily, you're with Goody Reader, and your boys here are going to show you how it's done.
So the user manual on this is actually the Kobo Aura 1. It doesn't pertain to the limited edition. So what you have to do is go into an ebook, and if you tap the center, you'll see you have some settings. None of this has anything to do with the rapid page turn speed. So you can swipe, you can tap, and if you think tapping fast is the rapid page turn speed, you are mistaken. That is not. What you have to do is start on either one of the sides, move in towards the middle, do not lift your finger up, and after half a second it'll start going through each of the pages. It's not the fastest, but it's clear, it's crisp, it doesn't blur itself out, and it doesn't refresh unless you let go. It's not going to look like this. This is really messy. So you can go forward or you can go backward. This works in graphic novels, manga, any other media on your device. This will pretty much work on there. So all you got to do is start from either side, hold it in the middle.
Thanks for watching, everyone. For GoodyReader.com, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.